Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is March 13th, 2025, and we're going to be dissecting Apple stock, Apple, by looking at the news and then the charts. We'll be discussing everything from current events and news to trends, reversals, and key price levels. We'll also discuss when to be bullish or bearish, both short-term and long-term. First, let's discuss some of the recent news. According to recent reports, Morgan Stanley has cut its price target on Apple due to delays in upgrading Siri with AI and ongoing tariff challenges. There are also concerns about iPhone 16 demand and potential antitrust lawsuits. On the other hand, Apple is building a factory in Texas to manufacture servers for its AI data centers, and they've partnered with Alibaba to bring AI services to China. Now, let's switch over to the daily chart and analyze the price action. Looking at the past year or so, we can see significant volatility. From the start of 2024 to mid-year, the stock generally rose, peaking around July 2024. However, since then, we've seen a more volatile trend, including a significant drop in March 2025 after news of delayed AI features and price target cuts. There are a few key price levels to watch on the daily chart. There appears to be support around the 215 to 217 level, which has held several times this year, and recent resistance around 240, where price has not been able to break past since the beginning of the year, with price currently falling down to the 215 to 217 range. Another level to keep an eye on is around 200, which can be seen as the last major support for the stock, and price bounced from there in August of 2024. A break below 200 would be a very bearish sign. Now, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. Looking at just the past week, we can see a strong downtrend after the daily candles made a strong downward move. From this time frame, price looks like it may have found a short-term support level around 220. Let's narrow the time frame down even more to the 15-minute candles to see if we can find more clarity on short-term moves and direction. Now looking at the 15-minute chart, with the recent drop, the stock has been struggling to maintain any upward momentum. This paints a bearish picture for the short term. If Apple can maintain the 215 to 217 support level on the daily chart, it may be a good time to open a long position with a stop loss just below that support. However, if that support breaks, look for further downside potential, possibly testing the 200 level. In summary, Apple stock is currently facing several challenges, including delayed AI features, price target cuts, and tariff concerns. The daily chart shows key support around 215 to 217 and resistance around 240. A break below 215 could lead to further downside, while a break above 240 would be a bullish signal. In the short term, the 1-hour and 15-minute charts suggest bearish momentum. Keep an eye on upcoming news and events, such as future AI developments and any changes to trade policies, as these could significantly impact Apple's stock price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Explain the Charts for more in-depth stock analysis.